Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to send Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase or any other platform. So first of all go to the transfer section and tap on withdraw. Now select Bitcoin as the asset and then choose Bitcoin or Lightning Network. Make sure the selected network matches the one used by the receiving exchange. Both platforms must use the same network or your funds could be lost. Let's say your destination uses the Bitcoin network. Enter the wallet address now. Click on Add New Withdraw Address and type a short description. For instance, if it's for Coinbase, I'll name it simply Coinbase. Now go to Coinbase or your chosen exchange to get your receiving address. Tap on Receive or Deposit and make sure Bitcoin is selected. Copy the address shown. The platform will remind you to only send BTC here. Return to Kraken, paste the address and tap on Add Withdraw Address. You'll now be asked to confirm it by clicking a link sent to your email. Open your inbox and look for the mail titled Confirm New Withdraw Address. Click the Confirm Address button in the email to approve the wallet. Head back to Kraken, tap OK, and your address will now be saved. Choose that address from the list, enter the amount, and tap Withdraw Bitcoin. The Bitcoin will then be sent to the address or exchange you selected. And that's how you move Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. If this tutorial helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next step by step video.